unfolding murder case in South Carolina that's taken a startling turn. Alex Murdaugh, a prominent lawyer in that area, was shot and wounded on Labor Day weekend, nearly 3 months after his wife and son were murdered. No one has been arrested or charged for that double killing, but authorities now say Murdaugh hired a gunman to kill him in an alleged insurance fraud scheme. Nikki Batiste has the rest of the story.
Police cars lined this street in Hampton County, South Carolina earlier this month. It's where prominent local attorney Alex Murdaugh says he was shot in the head while changing a flat tire. But now law enforcement says there's more to his story. They announced the arrest overnight of 61-year-old Curtis Smith. The charges: assisted suicide, assault and battery, and insurance fraud, among others. Police say more charges are expected. Charging documents allege Murdaugh conspired with Smith to shoot him in the head. If Murdaugh died, his living son would have received an estimated $10 million as part of a life insurance policy. Instead, Murdaugh survived. It's the latest twist in the tragic story of this well-known South Carolina family. Murdaugh's wife Maggie and son Paul were both shot and killed on the family's property in June. Alex Murdaugh made this 911 call when he says he found their bodies.
I've been up to it now. It's bad.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, and are they breathing?
No, ma'am.
Okay, and you said it's your wife and your son?
My wife and my son.
That crime remains unsolved, but Alex Murdaugh is also the subject of a separate investigation. This month, he was forced out of his law firm for allegedly misusing company money. He released a statement to apologize and also revealed he'd enter rehab for an apparent opioid addiction. Alex Murdaugh is not charged in his shooting and has not responded to requests for comment about that or the fraud allegations. For CBS Mornings, I'm Nikki Batiste in Hilton Head, South Carolina.
You know, I've been watching this story for the last couple of weeks. It's been bizarre from the very beginning.
Yeah.
That he is shot in the head, and then you find out it's grazed, and that he survives, and that he calls 911. It's just that there's still been no arrest for the death of the mother and the son, and now he's resigned from his law firm. It's very, very... And the guy who was arrested, Curtis Edward Smith, is a client of his.
Yeah.
Not only is he a bad shot, but he's a client.
They have a relationship.
Yes, they have a relationship.
And we keep saying prominent lawyer. What we mean by prominent is his great-grandfather, grandfather, and father were the top prosecutor in that area for almost 100 years.
Yeah.
It's a big story in South Carolina.
Talk about a fall from grace, that's for sure.